back to my channel.
Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wave related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, do it and become one of my little doll babies. Hi doll babies, how are you? So happy that you are here. So today we have a wig show and tell. I have already worn this wig, so I have first and second thoughts. So that is really exciting. So let's just get to it. You know, I've been on a journey of loving the half wigs, so this is just another half wig I picked up to try. And this is actually one of those converti cap wigs. So this is Outre Sunshine Babe, and I have her in the color DR Chocolate Cream, which is my favorite color. Loving it. And this says it's a deluxe cap that lays flat. I will include clips of the cap construction and me putting her on today. She comes in a few colors down here. It does say that she is heat safe up to 400 degrees. Okay. And it's one of those ones where you can wear it several different ways. You can see right here.
And what else do I want to say?
It says it's bacteria resistant. It comes with this like little booklet thing, which is really, really cool. And it shows the different converti cap wigs that they have, and so that's really awesome. I scooped this wig up from Shop Hair Wigs for $19.99. Let's talk about her. I will have to say, when I first wore her, I did not like her. I find this cap to be pretty big, and it is a converti cap, so you can adjust it, but it's not adjusting, like it just has that like pull string thing that you see in the clips, so it doesn't adjust the way a traditional wig adjusts. And I just found that it was harder for me to get a better fit for my head. The style is beautiful. It's pretty long. This is all the hair to the front, and it's about, I'm 5 foot, let me scooch it back. I'm 5'6.5", so this is going past my booba. Isn't this the cutest dress? It's like really, really long. So the density is really, really nice. Like I said, this is all the hair to the front. I'd say she's about 24, 26 inches long. Pros and cons. I love the color. I love the curls. I like the layering. I like this whole situation. I wore in a ponytail quite a bit, and that is good. The cons are just these curls. As you can see, I only wore her once, and I just feel like the curls, like right here, because of this converti cap thing, it can snag quite a bit depending on how you are wearing it. I just think that it's cute. I just don't know how long this would last with the curls the way they are. Like, I could brush the curls out and okay, but I really like how the curls are. So this is one you would have to really keep on in terms of maintenance. It is a light yucky texture. I'm not getting necessarily much tangling. Now, some of this could have been because I had her up in a ponytail, but that's the thing. It's a converti cap, so it's meant to be worn in different styles. And so just keep in mind that you are really going to have to keep on her, because as you move her around, you know, she's going to tangle and snag. I also feel like potentially she would be better, you know, at this layer, because some of this just seems like heavy. So if you can see, this is like the last this is the last layer before the rest, and it just seems like that's a little bit heavy there. So I feel like if we just had it right here, oh yeah, I think that would be way better. I think it would help with not having it snag and tangle so much. Should we cut her? I think we should cut her. We're just gonna cut her. This is that last layer, so I want to cut her to this last layer, so I'm just going to get my scissors, and I'm just going to bring this. The nice thing is when it's like kind of curly like this, it doesn't have to be super, super precise. This part here, this is the layer that's going to be my guide. Then I'm just going to take all the hair that's not at this layer, and I'm going to pull it and cut it. Just remember, there is some wave to it, so I'm not going to cut it flush with this. I'm going to cut it about a 1/2 inch-ish below where that layer is, and see now it goes right up to the layer. So let's pick out this last, there you go, there's that last layer there. Okay, so we're going to take all of this, we're going to pull it down, and then oh yeah. Okay, so we took quite a bit off. We, you and me. Oh yeah, but I think this is so much cuter. So right now she's looking like more in the 18-inch range. I just think this is more of a doable length. You know, you can still put her in a ponytail and all of that, but I just think she's cuter. I didn't want to do leave out and all that, so I just put this headband on. But I think she's cuter at this length, and I do think she's going to be much easier to maintain. I actually like her much better. You know me, I love the inches, but it just did not seem to work with this particular wig. So yeah, I don't know, what do you think? Let's look at it from the back. I see a couple of stray hairs that could be fixed. I'm not going to get too crazy with it right now. I would have to just fix that on the wig head just to make sure I'm not hacking, just in continually hacking. But I think you get the point that, oh yeah, she looks so much better, shorter. I think she'd be more manageable in general. So that is what I have for you for this show and tell. So at first I didn't like her, then I liked her, and I like her better. Sometimes you do just need to cut them. But it's like a $20 wig, and because I do like that it is longer, because you can then go ahead and like customize it based on your preference of length. So that is also a good option. Yeah, I think it's cute. So let me know what you think. Do you have this wig and do you have thoughts? Are there any other half wigs that you would like me to review? I will include my half wig playlist down below, so you can go ahead and check that out first. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!